Watch me flip this dresser I found on Facebook Marketplace. First, I removed all of the hardware from each drawer, and then it was time to strip. This top was super thick, so I really wanted to cut back on sanding time, so of course I opted for a stripper. After 15 minutes, it was time to scrape off. Once I finished scraping that off, I went in with a 220 grit to remove the rest. Then it was time to clean the base. Of course, I used my favorite TSP, my little scrubber, and then wiped it all back, repeating the process throughout the entire piece. Then I removed all of the drawers and vacuumed inside. I scuff sanded the entire piece using a 220 grit and of course my surf prep, just because it makes these detailed areas very easy to clean and get into. Moving on with the top again, I applied a green wash prior to my tan wash simply because this cuts out a lot of the red tones. Then I primed and of course painted using my Wagner sprayer. I love getting that even and smooth finish. Afterwards, I tan washed my top, sealed the entire piece, and here it is all finished. I really loved how this piece turned out. What do you guys think?